Welcome to BaitBucks. Today, we will be discussing some innovative and unusual ways to make money online that you may not have heard of before. Here are some ideas. 1. Sell your hair to wig makers or hair extension companies. 2. Participate in sleep studies to help researchers better understand sleep and earn money at the same time. 3. Sell food waste to farmers or composting companies to help reduce food waste and earn money. 4. Rent your backyard for campers through websites like Tenter and HipCamp. 5. Become a professional cuddler through websites like Cuddlist and provide a safe and effective way to help people get their fix without any further expectations. 6. Sell unusual items like keychains, eccentric clothing, and other unique items on websites like Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, and eBay. 7. Get paid to wear branded clothing or accessories and act as a human billboard. 8. Participate in mock trials and earn money by providing feedback on legal cases. 9. Sell your breast milk to help other mothers feed their children through websites like Only the Breast. Remember, always do your research and make sure that any opportunity you pursue is legitimate and safe. Thanks for watching.